Right, bottoms up.
40 nhưng mà mình ngâm vô đây.
How long has he been dead?
Drunk.
We have arrived at a bee farm for some honey. Check this out.
Here you are.
You're brave.
Hey.
Doing my hair.
You're not scared, Kate?
Friendly Vietnamese.
They're friendly
bee.
Vietnamese bees. What, so you can pick one up and it won't sting?
Huh?
They're so friendly, you can pick one up?
Friendly Vietnamese bee.
Friendly.
Yep.
You're very brave.
Is it
Wow,
cloudy?
she's much braver than me.
No?
I'm not afraid of bees, but I would never dare to pick that up. I'm gonna give you guys a little look here. We've been on for 2 hours on the speedboat. Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to the Mekong Delta. I joined a group tour. 2 hours on the speedboat, and then we should be there. We just arrived here now at the Mekong Delta. Why it's called the Mekong Delta, I don't know. But it's pretty picturesque. Oh, I'd love to go on one of those boats and wherever this little tributary river would lead to. So we stopped here at this bee farm because they're gonna give us a little taste of honey, and then we are gonna continue to our final destination, which I guess is some kind of floating market, but I'm not quite sure. Anyway, Harald shall investigate.
Is it?
All right.
Okay, holding that.
Handing it over. Let's not lose this thing. I got it.
Bravo.
Where's the queen bee?
Never try, never know. On the other side.
You're right, they are friendly Vietnamese bees.
Here, she's here.
Oh, there's the queen.
Yeah, she's
show for
a
the
little
camera.
bit different.
There's the queen.
Show for the camera.
Yes.
Is it close enough?
One queen.
Yeah,
You
only
say
one.
she can live for
7 years.
7 years, and the other ones for 2 months.
Exactly.
Incredible. Who wants to give it a go?
Okay, thanks.
You're okay. All right. No, you're gonna pass. All right.
Okay.
Guess it's just me then. Back home.
Okay.
Is there another queen on this one?
No, only one.
Only one.
Wow.
Right.
Friendly Vietnamese bison.
It's a Burmese. It's beautiful. Hey, buddy.
Change the skin every month.
Every month.
Yeah, change the skin every month. No, it's not a snack. It's bison. No venom.
No venom.
No venom. Yep. They just keep it like a pet.
Oh.
Yeah. If you want, you can.
All
Take
right.
it. Yeah.
Come to
Take it
Papa.
home. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Come here. Yeah. Exactly.
I got him. Whoa.
Don't squeeze her.
He recently shed. He has fresh skin now. You can see. Hey, buddy.
Her name is Lucy.
You want to hold Lucy?
That was brave.
No.
Chị muốn thử không chị?
Come here, Lucy.
Không cắn đâu.
How old?
Ủa?
3 years?
Không cắn.
How old is this one?
3 years, 4 years. 3 years, 4 years old.
Let me have a look.
Chừng 10 kg, 12 kg à.
Talk to you. Does she understand you?
Well, where are you going?
Don't go too far.
Who wants to give it a go? She's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Chị.
Can you hold this? I'll take it. Sorry.
Đúng rồi.
Do you want it?
Không có cắn đâu, em hứa. Em hứa, không có cắn, hứa.
Come here.
Chụp tấm hình.
I'll give it for you.
Dạ, đúng rồi.
Oh my god.
Be patient.
Twice as big as you are.
It's alright. your hand under.
Perfect.
There you go. Put your hand here. There we go.
Now what?
Now photo.
No more.
Thank you. Thank you.
Video.
Not yet, not yet. An hour later. Not yet. I've been here 10
No snake for you?
Nothing
No?
happened to me, you see?
Snakes are not for everyone. Oh, they have another one here.
No.
But it's the same size. Let me see. Oh, there we go. They have 3. Right on. Our tea is ready here. She put some fresh honey, right? Yes. And I guess normal tea and none of this, which is soy sauce. No soy sauce in the tea.
My sister show you our family secret.
Yeah.
Secret, all right.
Come here. Excuse me. Open the coconut. Oh, very skillful. It take me hours to open it out. Yeah, seriously, if you don't know how to use, you bleeding with that tiny knife. Yeah. After that, you open it by this knife. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot. Hey. Yeah. And then the juice you can use for cooking and the meat making the tea. So at the beginning, they use this tool. They got a little bit teeth right there. They put coconut oil inside to make it to avoid stickiness. Coconut oil, yeah, and a little bit wheat flour, easier to cut. Yeah, also to avoid stickiness. Cane, yeah. Wrap and roll, very skillful. One day for thousands of candy like this. This one, I think it costs most labor. It takes the most labor to wrap and roll into a very small. Exactly, wrap and roll like that. So they're doing all that work. It's actually faster than wrap and roll like this.
What about this one? It's the same as you gave us to eat before. It's like that
Exactly.
one. Can I try one? Just eat it like that. Okay.
I think you try to wrap and roll.
No, I want to taste it. I wanna... They gave us some as we entered here, but we tried these ones over here. They look like this. This is coconut candy then. Very chewy, but very good, very sweet. No candy for you?
No.
No?
If you want to have more flavor, you need to wait at least they components like this. More flavor.
It's good. Very chewy. Have to chew a lot. You have the snake whiskey here. You can taste it.
Yes, I will do.
Cobra and scorpion. Have you tried it before?
No.
No?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Cho thử được không chú? Chú này nè con ơi.
Okay, let's look at this here. The snake in there.
Yes.
See, huh? Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Chocolate, peanut, only coconut, pandan, ginger, ginger.
Little bit.
You can try.
For you?
No.
For me?
Yes.
Okay. How strong is it? How strong?
About 40%.
About 40%. All right. I'm gonna obviously give it a go. So I have my water here
Rượu
ready.
này có 39 độ chứ mấy. Hả? Chưa. Hả?
All right, bottoms up.
40 nhưng mà mình ngâm vô đây cái nó giảm lại.
I'm a little bit scared.
Bao nhiêu độ?
Oh, look at that. Can you lift him up?
No.
How long has he been dead?
Drunk. Này trong đây bao lâu rồi?
Not alive,
Of course not.
Trong đây bao lâu rồi?
Alcohol.
Cỡ thằng mấy
but he went happy.
Over nearly 2 years.
Nearly. So this has been in there for 2 years.
Nearly
This
2
drink.
years.
Okay. If I die, it's on you.
Okay. I will take responsibility for the rest of your life.
All right. Bottoms up.
China, they make you do that.
I mean, if you want to only.
Oh, it's all right actually. It's good. It's not too strong. Yeah. I was expecting something like Yadong, but no, it was not bad actually.
Not bad.
Are you having a go too?
No, thank you.
It's not bad actually. It's not.
You want to try?
Yes. Brave woman, brave man.
Smells?
It's this one.
Yes.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Come on.
I didn't have breakfast.
Me neither.
It's a good starter for the day.
Oh yeah. Not too strong, eh?
It's okay. Yeah. No. One is enough.
All right. Not bad. Yeah. So upset. What's wrong? What's going on? Obviously not having the best of days. Oh, he's fixing the horseshoe here. Hello. It's funny, it's like the horse knows what's going on. I guess we're doing a little. Are we gonna do this?
Yes, we
This
will.
time?
Because somebody don't like go by horse, so we will go by tuk-tuk.
We'll go by tuk-tuk. No horse.
Yeah, no horse. Because
But I like horse.
you like horse?
Yes.
You like horse. Đi ơi,
It's okay. I'll do what everyone else is doing.
có khách muốn đi bằng xe. Hả? Có khách muốn đi bằng xe.
I'm so sorry because
Look at this cutie. They even dolled up the horse with a flower for us.
if you want one more on the back, it's up to you.
Wow, look at this hottie with the red roses. We'll be here.
Two over here, it's up to you.
Yeah.
Yes, I come here.
She's a cutie. That looks like the honeymoon wagon with all the flowers and. Hop on. All right. There we go.
Smile. Come on.
So we were able to get a.
Oh, sorry.
Hello. Ah,
This side.
I thought you were gonna tell me I'm too fat. I was at the market yesterday and everyone just told me how fat I was. So, no, so finally we were able to get a horse. Apparently some leftist liberals from whatever state before have talked to the camera. I'm doing a monologue. You might as well be in it. Have complained and they felt sorry for the horse. Apparently, the horse working too hard. So that's why half of our group now went on with a car, with a tuk-tuk. Yeah. But we said, to hell with political correctness. We're in Vietnam. We want to ride the horse. So that's what we're doing.
Traditional way.
Yes.
So we can put 10 people on street.
Much funner.
Yeah.
Way funner.
Oh,
Better than a Pepsi. I'm gonna film them.
Pomelo.
Pomelo.
Good
It
for
looks like
diet.
a like a mandarin.
Exactly, a big mandarin.
Yeah.
Red fruit.
and this one?
This one mango. This one is milky breast.
Milky breast. That sounds delicious.
When we literally translate it from Vietnamese. In Vietnamese we call vú sữa.
Vu Su.
Which means milky breast.
I'm a fan.
Before we eat, we do a massage. Yeah, and it's milky inside.
So we're going to massage that.
Oh, it already massaged
Okay.
and open for you. You just don't eat the skin outside.
Famous song, she said.
Em nước trong tình trà, ôi gan vàng hoàng đào ý à. Đơn như dù sao bước qua, tình đó đừng buồn cao ca.
Famous. Yeah.
For Vietnamese community,
You can sing it too?
I know the melody of that.
Okay.
La, 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 la.
Em bà em đi cho nó về ra hết. Em bà em đi cho nó về ra hết. Em bà em đi cho nó ba bé
Famous.
Also a famous song.
cho nó về ra hết. Em bà em đi cho nó về ra hết. Ok. Em bà em đi cho nó về ra hết. Ok. Em bà em đi cho nó ba bé cho cho em bà em đi cho nó về ra hết. Ok. Thân thương cảm ơn.
Okay. That's pretty funny.